In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own all-natural, all-purpose cleaner, and you probably already have the ingredients in your home. So the first one is apple cider vinegar. Now the reason I say apple cider vinegar is because apple cider has more of like a fragrance, but you can use regular white vinegar, that's fine as well. Second one is just regular filtered water. Even tap water would work. And then if you have some lemon juice, you can squirt a little bit of lemon juice on this. So what's great about this, it's all natural. Vinegar and lemon juice kills bacteria and germs, and in my personal opinion, it's just as good as anything you can find on the shelf, and it doesn't have all those chemicals. To do this, I just used a regular all-purpose bottle that I already had and already used up. I will never use regular all-purpose cleaner that you get at the grocery store or anywhere else. I'm going to always use this. And so what you're going to do is you're going to do half and half. You're going to do half water and then half vinegar. You don't have to be precise. And half water. Squirt of lemon juice for good measure. I want to mix this up. Now, what am I going to use it for? I'm going to use it on everything. All my surfaces. On leather couches. In the bathroom, on the toilet, on the sink. You could use it to clean the inside and the outside of your car. You can also use it to bathe in. To wash your dishes. So if you haven't tried this out, please consider trying it. It'll save you money. In my personal opinion, it's healthier without all the chemicals. So make your all-natural, all-purpose solution at your home and then tell me how it works for you. Alright, make sure you subscribe.